Hello families and friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you have had a wonderful Easter break with your families. Here it is from my kitchen, another recipe. This is one of the most easiest Samoan breakfast dish, and it's called Sua Masi. This is literally for 3 to 4 ingredients, so let me show you the ingredients. Breakfast crackers, granulated sugar, lemon leaves, coconut cream, and hot water. Okay friends, we'll start with adding hot water to the pan. So that was about 4 to 5 cups I've just added. Again, this depends on the amount of people that you're cooking for. If you have less people in the family, you will have to use less ingredients as well. Okay, we'll bring this to a boil, and then we will add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, we'll put the lid on. I am using one of my Salad Master pots, so when you hear that flicking noise on camera, that means my water is ready. But then again, not everyone has the kind of pots I have. Just use a normal pot. But just in case you're curious what that sound was, or that noise. While we're waiting for okay, it is now ready, which means look, inside it's starting to have bubbles. I will finish off what I just said. Okay, right now I'm going to add my sugar. So you can always add more later if you need to add more sugar. Now, the reason why I'm adding the sugar and everything now, because once I add the crackers, I don't want to over stir, so I can mix the sugar in, if you know what I mean. So maybe feel free to add a little bit more. And I will show you why I have to add the sugar now. Okay, so that's done. I will now add my coconut cream. And we'll let it boil as well with coconut cream and sugar. This is one of the popular Samoan dish for the elderly. Only because it's nice and soft for them. Okay. It's like, banana pudding or sofai. Instead, we are adding the crackers. And it's something interesting I picked up too in some islands of the Pacific. They enjoy their dessert, like for example otai. They would have otai with this, the breakfast crackers. So I guess Samoan way is different. We cook this in hot water and coconut cream. Okay, I will put the lid back on. Okay, to my knowledge, and from what I've heard from my elderly family members, and I don't know who invented or came up with this dish, but all I know is that we have coconut cream in the islands. And back then we have breakfast dish, crackers. We have these crackers. It comes in box, like a big box. And someone just, came up with the idea of the dish, just adding these, make it softer. And it's good for, for the elderly. So it's popular in our Samoan community, especially for those who grew up in the island. We grew up eating this dish a lot. Okay, so now our coconut cream and sugar, it's boiling away with the hot water. We will now add our lemon leaves. Okay, just give it a taste to make sure it's sweet enough before I add the crackers. Yes. Okay, right now I'm going to add the crackers. This is very quick, literally 15 minutes if you use hot water. Okay, you can either put in the biscuits whole, or you can, crack them like that. Now, at this stage, I'm going to turn my oven very low while I continue adding my biscuits or crackers. Now, we don't want this to go too soggy, so you've got to move quickly and add the rest. Okay, just like that. So that will become softer in the liquid, and then you just enjoy it just like that. Okay. Some people have it straight away. It depends on everyone's preference. I like it semi-soft, hard, but then, of course our elderly would like, it to be super soft for them. Okay. So the more crackers you add in, the more the liquid will absorb, and it becomes thicker. So I'm using the whole packet here, which is 375 grams. That is it. Okay, so that's our dish here. Sua Masi. I'm going to turn the oven off. I don't want to have the biscuits or the crackers too soggy. That's all it is. So that is our dish right there. I'm going to taste test our Sua Masi. So as it sits in there, it's going to become softer and it will become thicker as well. I'll put the lid back on and we'll do the taste test. Here's the texture here. If you can see clearly. See, the liquid is becoming thicker now because the cracker is getting softer and it's making the liquid thicker. Okay. Okay. Have a bite. This reminds me of home. It has that nice taste of the crackers plus the lemon leaves and the coconut cream together. Yum. That is one of our Samoans' traditional breakfast dish, which is called Sua Masi. I hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try. It may look simple, it may not look appealing to you, but the taste, I promise you, you will like it. Especially to our Polynesian friends out there, and to those who have been raised up, Samoans who were raised up overseas. Give this recipe a try and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Before I leave, I want to dedicate this recipe to one of our wonderful viewers or subscribers, all the way from Utah. Her husband has passed away. Vicky, this is for you. Sending our prayers and condolences to the Enderman family with the loss of your loved one. Fono, rest in peace. Fono, thank you for supporting. Thanks to you and Vicky for supporting me and the family and this channel. You have been wonderful people, and we are thinking of you, Vicky, at this time, and your family and all the Enderman family. So this recipe is dedicated to our wonderful friends out in Utah who have lost their loved ones, and anyone who has lost their loved ones in the past. We appreciate you all, and we thank you for your support. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the channel, and we warmly welcome you with open arms. I want to thank our wonderful members who have joined and supported our channel. Thank you very much from me and the family for your support and for supporting our channel with becoming members. I hope, again, I continue on saying, hoping that you enjoy the perks that you're receiving. If you haven't become a member, please do so. Join us as a member and you will receive the perks that will come with membership. And doing that, you will be able to help me continue on putting more videos and recipes and to continue cooking for our community. Okay, we love you. Thank you for your support, everyone, and our members. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.